continuing the future use of mixed or blended mode of teaching.
Srimati B. Dipali Sharma Rao is now conferred a District Award for Teachers on the occasion of Teachers' Day 2022. Srimati Melinda on Teachers' Day 2022. Is appreciated for her hard work and efforts. She has put in order to elevate the school to its present state.
Lots of political speech and other big shots. They used to say, teachers are backbone of society. Teachers are builders of nations. Yes, I agree. Because without teachers, there will be no doctors, no engineers, no scientists. Therefore, our society should give respect to teachers. Government should give top priority to teachers if they want teacher education top priority. Sir, just to remind, I just want to compare the education policy or education policy of Meghalaya and our nearest state, Assam. You see, everyone knows below government school there are recognized schools, but these recognized schools are funded by the government. They get pay, but at a fixed rate. But the Chief Minister of Assam has declared in the next session, this recognized school will be upgraded to government school. So they'll become government school. Below this government school, you see private school. Government school, private school. And we know SSA is a central government sponsored school. While Meghalaya, we have how many categories of school? We have government school. We have deficit system. We have deficit pattern. We have ad hoc school. We have private school. Then SSA. It is a central government sponsored school. So these 6 categories of school. So actually, it's not my job to comment on all this because our big boss, the education department, knows everything. So, but I just want to question one thing only, why we should have so many categories of school? Why not we merge some of these schools into some other categories? So it is not my job to question the government. It is not, it is our big boss knows about all this. So
in these last 5 years, I have seen the education system. I have seen the problem, which is the teaching community, the teaching profession, and what is the best way forward. Having said that, it is not very easy, but I am very happy and congratulate Pak Andrus IAS for the last 8-9 years, he took the burden to face all necessity which happened in the department. It is not very easy. Education, it is not like other department. We are dealing with the living files. We are dealing with the aspiration of each and every student. It is very, to say this, that in Meghalaya, we have the highest category of teachers. But Kawei just mentioned a few. But I must say that out of 25 categories of teachers in Meghalaya, not only 45. One section of teachers, they have this. Unlike the other just mentioned, why not coming together? How we call the Catholic school, the Christian school, the Meghalaya school, the school shah. It is just that. We do think that this common